Here's why Shiba Inu is dipping today, and here's what you need to know for the future of this coin. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu coin analysis. And if you guys want to start trading, buying, or selling Shiba Inu, you guys can hit the link down in the description below for our public investment app sponsorship deal. Guys, you can hit that link and not only get a free stock when you use our link and sign up and deposit $1, but also you can start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well, because they've just recently added to their roster of tradable tokens. But other than that, guys, make sure to like this video. Let's get this video to 600 likes. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are, right? Shiba Inu now at down about 26.98%, just over the last 24 hours at the 4663 level. You're worried. I know you are. If you're watching this video, you're worried. If you're holding, you're worried. There's fear, there's uncertainty, there's doubt, there's FUD everywhere in this market right now, and especially with Shiba Inu. And people are worried, right? And I understand. And what I really want to do today, guys, is hopefully not only you can leave this video with more information than you found or than you kind of arrived with, basically telling you guys why is this happening, right? Why are we dipping so heavily? Why have why has this coin dropped so significantly in value just over the last basically 3 days, right? Let's get into that. We're going to talk about that today, guys. And two, I hope you go away from this video not only with just that, but hopefully you guys can maybe have a glimmer of hope for the future, guys, because again, I'm going to be talking about my personal opinions and the long-term thesis that I have personally for this coin. But either way, guys, let's get into it. So Shiba Inu falls after $2.3 billion of Shib were moved from the whale wallet. So here is what is happening, guys. So basically at last, I believe it was last October, there was somebody who bought about $8,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. Now that is a whale, right there. That is trillions and trillions of tokens that whale purchased. And now, of course, if you guys look now, again, that amount is now worth literally billions of dollars, right? I believe it's worth somewhere around the $5 billion mark as far as how much that wallet or that amount of coins is worth. And so now it came out that this whale is now starting to move that amount of tokens kind of back and forth between these different wallets, and there's kind of a lot of strange stuff happening, and again, people are getting a little kind of nervous and a little paper handy. And what you're seeing right now, guys, this sell-off right here, which I think is very, well illustrated by TradingView. This sell-off that we're looking at right here, this is all, in my opinion, again, you guys can let me know in the comments below what you guys think, but in my opinion, this is all paper hands. These are all people who are getting scared that the whale is going to do something either drastic or they're going to do something that's going to negatively impact the price in the long term. And these are people who are scared and they're trying to get out while they can, right? And of course, I mean, that's reasonable, right? A whale with trillions of tokens really has a lot of market moving power, right? We know that whales are able to obviously move the market extremely well and extremely efficiently, but also too, the fact that whales can also crash the market if they make certain moves. A lot of people are worried that this whale, if they did sell those trillions of tokens, well, the price could crash, right? And that's why I think right here, and especially too, there's a bunch of other factors I should add that's going into this. We also had the Shiba swap calculator, which I believe updated the circulating supply to apparently the 549 level, which if you guys look at CoinMarketCap, again, that still is not fixed. We still have the same circulating supply as well, which is another kind of reason for contention. So again, all of this is kind of the perfect storm into a sell-off, right? A pullback, a correction. Now, guys, what I want to talk about though is the fact that, again, if you guys think about it, in October, we ran up over 1,000% just in the month of October, guys. Just in the month of October, right? So when you think about that, when you look at that, again, this is not surprising that we are pulling back, that we are having a little bit of a correction here, guys. Again, this is something that I was expecting to happen. Again, I was hoping, and looking at all of the technical analysis and all the charts, and the way I looked at it, it looked like everything was going well, right? It looked like we were continuing to push into an upward direction. But of course, news can come out, right? And news can change the entire perspective of the market, right? It can change the entire price action of how an asset class is moving. And for instance, news came out about that whale, and of course the circulating supply is kind of an issue as well. And just in general, there's a lot of FUD right now out at Shiba Inu, and of course we pulled back heavily. But my long-term thing here, guys, is What I need you guys to do is look at your own situation, right? Because I'm not going to be able to make a call for you guys at the end of the day, right? You guys have to invest with your own money. You have to make your own decisions with your investment, and that involves risk, right? That involves your own kind of attitudes and your own exposure to your own amount of risk. And if you are holding through this, hey, that's cool, that's awesome. But again, I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys that you guys need to hold through anything. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. All I'm going to tell you guys is what I'm personally doing. And again, you guys make your own decisions at the end of the day. If you think you want to get out of this coin because it's stressing you out too much, that's fine. I get it. This coin has a lot of ups and a lot of downs. And if you're a new holder and you've never been through the downs, again, we can pull back, guys. We can go all the way back to the old rally here, kind of the original rally, right? You gotta understand, again, TradingView doesn't show the full chart, but this was about a couple days of a rally. And then when the pullback started, right, when the huge downward trend all the way down here to the super low level, about the 0.0000000766 level, and even lower than that, when that happened, guys, people were concerned. People were really, really scared, right? And again, a lot of people sold out. A lot of people didn't hold. And hopefully now this is not something that we're going to see again. Again, we have established support at previous levels pretty well, right? And again, we are kind of starting to hopefully flatline at some level here. Hopefully the red candles eventually stop. Whoa, that was weird. I just opened up Google for some reason. But hopefully at some point the red candles stop. But guys, again, we're just going to have to watch it closely at the end of the day, right? There's a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in this marketplace right now, guys. And again, it's, this is part of the nature, right? This is the nature of the coin. This is the nature of crypto, right? You're going to have your down days as much as you're going to have your 1,000% months, right? So again, I'm not surprised that we are correcting right now. If anything, I was kind of expecting this eventually to happen, that we were going to see some kind of pullback. And now the question is obviously, where is it going to go in the future, right? Well, as long as we can stabilize at some type of support, again, it seems down here we might be hitting a little bit of a support level here as the red candles get a little bit smaller. But again, I wouldn't count my eggs so soon. Again, I'm going to be waiting and watching very closely. And also, guys, if this dips a little bit lower or even at these levels, I might be considering doing some dip buying, right? I might be buying some Shiba Inu at kind of a discounted price at this point, guys. Again, if you're a true believer in this coin, if you're a true believer long term, again, you're not really worried about these day-to-day price action, these pullbacks and of course the pumps and everything in between. I'm looking at Shiba Inu as a long-term hold in my own trading strategy and investment strategy. But again, you guys might have a different idea. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are thinking and doing, obviously. But guys, again, don't worry too much. Don't lose too much sleep over this, guys. Again, I think this is a little bit temporary, and we're just seeing, if anything, a lot of paper hands get kind of shaken out right now in a kind of short-term capacity. So keep it locked here, though, because we're going to keep making update videos and make sure you guys are aware and up to date on the latest information. You guys know how we roll. But either way, that's it for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, hit our link down in the description below. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying, selling, and talking about in both the stock and crypto markets. Plus, you can now trade Shiba Inu on their platform, as well as they have recently added it to their roster of tradable tokens. So it's kind of a cool win-win for the both of us. You guys get a free stock when you sign up. It also helps support our channel, and you guys can start trading Shiba Inu as well. Plus, guys, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe. But other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.